Man, I'm just gonna tell y'all real talk. Can't nobody fuck with me when it comes to parsing stuff. Look at this. Let's scroll down. Let's find a good one. How about door fire? Because that's nice and long, and the function name is out of the view. Now, you ready for this? Look right here. Just keep your eyes right there. See what I'm saying? We'll do it on anyone. It's not like I just programmed in door file. Click any damn one you want. They're all gonna work. They're all gonna work, man. And it knows it's a function. And what I mean by that is, if I come up here and, for instance, say I click right here, nothing. But I could do the same thing right here. See what I'm saying? So it knows this is gonna be a function, but it ain't a function yet. So there's no way you could be in this function because it's only been declared. It hasn't been defined. So not a function is a function. Any damn line you want, it doesn't matter. Any function you want that's completed. And there you go. So I didn't do this at all how I had explained it in my other video. As a matter of fact, I'll give you an idea how I did it. It's a bit convoluted, but come on, man, leave me alone. Get out of here. All right, there we go. It's a bit convoluted though. I mean, it just is. There's no real way around it. I just finished writing the script too, so I haven't cleaned it up or anything. But here's my fucked up convoluted method. Let's see, it's way up here. I might as well use this because it's almost all the way at the top. Here we go. This is the main method right here. There's going to be the types. Here's just a little white space. Here's my convoluted irregular expression to find functions. And then here's me actually turning those strings into an actual regular expression. I kick off executing results. Actually, I want to do that there. Execute kicking off the results. And as long as there's results, it'll keep cycling through this. I get the start and the end. And then I just make this, I take this little array, and in the position of start, I assign an object. I store the name that I got from result. No, I mean, even though this is working, it. Oh yeah. No, that's right. It is result 1. I store the end position and end, but then I take this little dictionary, or that's just what I call it. I need to rename and clean all this shit up, but I push in what the start position was, and the reason why is because this array right here, like, it'll be pushing things into like position 13,000, but position 11,000 to 12,000 or something like that might not have anything. So it's just a bunch of null positions. So it's just a way for me to store the only the positions that are not going to be null in this array. And then this is just kicking off that execution again, so it'll just keep cycling through this and getting every result. So this chunk so far finds this much, but it only captures this much. That's why I have result 1. This would right here would be result 0, would be the whole damn line, but I want everything from here to here. So there's my result 1 right there. Now once I get that, it's great and all, but now I only know the function name. I have the call for it, you know, but what about the whole body? So then we have to go back through it again. I make a little temp string, Actually, I can erase these traces because it's working now, so I don't need to find out what's not working. I go through that dictionary that I made. I create a little string, and I start from whatever position the dictionary said. You know, this position right here. I'll start from that position, and I just get a substring all the way to the end of the entire text, but from that point. And then I use my find tail function, which goes and it finds the first opening, and then it keeps going through until it finds the proper close. So in other words, it's not, did I really close that? No. In other words, say in this situation right here, it would say open, and then it would hit here and it'd be like, nope, now we have 2 opens. And now we can subtract 1 close from 2 opens, which means we still have 1 open. And it gets down here and we're like back to 2 opens again, and 3 opens and 4 opens. 4 opens minus 1 open is 3 opens, but we're back to 4. So, you know, it just keeps doing that until there's 1 open and 1 close negates that 1 open, creating a count of 0, meaning that I've definitely found the end. That's an old school trick I've been using forever. And then I redefine what end is, because end was just the end of here, but I need to here. So I store the new end number and then I return that new array. And that's pretty much it. Like, that's the whole function right there in all its ugliness, and I don't know, it just doesn't look good at all. I mean, technically there's probably nothing wrong with it. I think I just need to rename some, like, this doesn't make sense. Dictionary, I don't understand how that's really a dictionary. Ret, half of the word return, that's not how you, that's just not good naming practices. I'll worry about better names in a minute. I just wanted to get this actually to work was more important to me than anything. And it does. And it was just yesterday that I said I was definitely going to make this happen. And there it is. Look. And look, it even tells you what's inside of it, like what fields does it expect. So let's just pretend that spawn field, I need to fix that because it thinks that this part is built-in, but that's no big deal. I had that fixed before. I think I changed something and never changed it back. Let's just pretend that this is out of the way up here, but like it's still going. We'll just pretend like this function's still traveling. Well, I don't have to scroll up there to see what this function accepts if that was something that I needed to know down here. And I don't know. I mean, it's just like a little kitschy feature, but all these little kitschy features add up to making, you know, a very robust text editor. So that's my deal. I also renamed it Script. I don't know how I feel about that. It was code, spelled Q-O-D-E. But I had an idea about Script, but the name, whatever. Like, this is how important the fucking name is. Whatever I write right here, that's what it's gonna be. That's it. So I mean, I could change that a zillion times to whatever the hell I want. But that's that. So I don't know. I got I don't know what you'd call this feature. Function recognition. Something like that. And I mean, it's as far as that if you go somewhere where you really, I mean, I already showed you this in a way, but I want to just drag it through the mud. Like, anywhere that is not inside of a function is going to give you nothing. Period. We're in a function. We're not in a function. Comments, doesn't matter. You have to be in a function. My find tail script finds the fucking tail. If I know where the start is and my find tail finds the end, and I'm always asking it, am I somewhere between these 2 points? There's no way to fuck up. This is not going to ever be wrong. You know? So, anyway, that's my new feature. Y'all have a great day.